Hey, thanks for tuning in to Hot Off Wheels. My name is Jesse. In this episode today, we're going to take a look at two boxes I got in from Mattel. So we're going to crack them open. Actually, one of them I've already cracked open. I got a couple days before Christmas, so I got a little excited. I wasn't sure if I was going to make a video, and honestly could not remember which one they were going to send me first, except one a couple lately. I still have a few to send me, but I figured I'd show you these two today. I'm probably not going to take them out of the case. I mean, I'm going to take them out of this box. I'm not going to take them out of the case, today. Maybe in a future video. I'm not really sure. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is the Lamborghini Countach LP500S. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Dun, dun. The unveiling. Check it out. Pretty nice little colors. I like that paint on it. Really sweet. It's like a Spectra Flame or something. It's a really nice color. Sweet. You got the Gullwing, I guess, doors, the Lambo doors on it. You got the front ends with the headlights. So finally they've done a decent, Lamborghini with some headlights and tail lights. So yeah, you have to be part of the Red Line Club in order to get one of these. And I think it was for around $22, I believe it was. So a little pricier than your dollar Hot Wheel at Walmart or Target or wherever you may find your diecast. But like I said, these are limited edition. There are very few. Let's see if I can tell. This one is 8,000. Let's see, there's your number on the bottom. 8,108 of 12,500 made. So there's only 12,500 of these made. So it makes it a somewhat limited edition. So for that reason, I'm probably just going to keep them in the box for now. Keep them in the little display for now. But yeah, definitely hope you enjoyed that Lamborghini. Let's crack open the next one. Sorry about that. This one I have not opened. We're going to open that one now. That's a satisfying sound. Alright, well, let's go ahead and open it up. There's some identifying information, so I'm just going to leave that over here. This one is not in a box, on like a stand or whatever, like the Lamborghini. This is just carded Hot Wheel. But you've got the VW Drag Bus. This is the last of the 2019 Red Line Club cars for the year. So really nice to be able to get this, and especially if you're a VW fan like myself. Nice little holiday drag bus, club exclusive. And this one is number 8,480 of 10,000 made. So we kind of got the last end of the batch there, but it's all good. I imagine number ones and the top 10 probably go to people who work for Red Line or their families or something like that. But really nice to get one regardless of what number it is on the back. Of course, it would have been sweet to get under 100 or something, but it's all good. Yeah, definitely I enjoyed this casting. I do wonder if most of the other drag buses have that little notch right there by the front fender. It looks kind of just weird how they kind of notched that out instead of rounded it over. Don't really know what to make of it. I mean, the back is kind of notched over, which, the back actually looks kind of, looks fine that way, but the front looks kind of, I don't know, a little weird or awkward, I guess, maybe with that square notched out of the wheel, but that's just me. They kind of rounded the front right there, but I don't know why they didn't kind of just round off the back right there, that back side. They could have rounded it over, but I don't know, maybe I'm just being too picky. But really nice casting. I do like it a lot, so I hope you do as well. I know it's kind of a short video. I'm going to put my information back on there, but yeah, I really like those two casting. I've got more coming from Red Line, or from Mattel, from the Red Line Club sale, but definitely hope you enjoyed those two. Hopefully I'll have some more to show you here shortly. Well, I mean, I've got more. Obviously, I've got a ton more to show you. I've got so much from Christmas, so much from before that. I know it's been like at least a month since I posted. I'm still a little bit on the fence about you know, what's going on with YouTube and the COPPA laws and the FTC. YouTube themselves put out another video about a week and a half, 2 weeks back maybe. Gave a touch more clarity, not a lot more clarity, but a touch more. It gave me a tinge of hope for the diecast community. I'll put a link in the description to that below if you haven't seen it. There's also been some other people, not necessarily in the diecast community, but other big YouTubers who've, supposedly been in communication with the FTC, who've, basically, asked the FTC, hey, is what YouTube is saying true? Are we, if we mark if our channel or our content is like a general audience, but not intended for kids, are we safe? And supposedly the FTC is like, yeah, you don't have to worry if your channel is like a general audience, as long as it's not directed, at kids, towards kids, it should be fine. Again, these are what big YouTubers have communicated to the FTC, and supposedly what the FTC said back, but this is all from their mouths, so I really don't know what to make of it all. I'm still processing it. I don't know what that means for those of us in the diecast community, and then for content creators like myself and this channel. I'm still really a little on the apprehensive side. Really don't like the way things have kind of turned out on this platform. I feel like YouTube should have done a lot better job of policing things and keeping children safe online, and without basically enforcing us to be the babysitters. They could have come out with a better system, in my opinion, to enforce these laws and regulations, instead of just like putting it all on us. Again, that's just my opinion. I don't know. I'm still very much on the fence if I'll keep making content in 2020. I really want to. I really enjoy this. So I hope you do as well. I hope you enjoy the content I put out. But definitely let me know your thoughts. Do you feel like the diecast community is safe from the FTC and these COPPA laws, or do you think we're still like in that wishy-washy gray zone of uncertainty? Would really love your comments and opinions, and drop them below. Really look forward to hearing from you and your thoughts and opinions, of course. And definitely hope to keep making videos in 2020. Let me know your thoughts again. Look forward to hearing from you, and until next time, guys, take care. Wish you all the best of luck on your own diecast and pack hunts, and I'll see you all hopefully soon. Thanks for watching.